Prices dropped in Washington County. Homes are sitting longer, and buyers suddenly have more options. So is the market slowing down? Not exactly, but something is shifting. And if you're buying or selling right now, you need to understand what's happening. Hi, I'm Taylor Housley, a local real estate agent here in St. Croix Valley, serving Minnesota and Wisconsin, and today I'm breaking down our May 2026 Twin Cities market update. A market update for Stillwater, Washington County, and the Twin Cities, and what it means for you. Before we even get into numbers, here's what I'm seeing day to day. Homes that are priced right and show well are selling fast, sometimes quickly and in multiple offers. But buyers are a lot more selective than they have been in the past years. They're taking their time, comparing options, and they're not feeling that pressure to jump in immediately. Let's start with Washington County. New listings up 12.2%. Closed sales up slightly, 4.2%. But median prices are down about 4.7% year over year. Homes are also taking a bit longer to sell, around 50 days on market, and inventory is still really low, only at 2.4 months supply. So what this tells us is we're not in a bad market, we're in more of a balanced market. Now zooming out to the Twin Cities, 13 county Twin Cities metro area. New listings up 8.9%. Closed sales down 3.5%, and prices just dipped slightly 1.3%. Homes are taking longer to sell as well, about 56 days on market, which is up significantly. So across the metro, we're seeing more options for buyers, but a little less urgency. So what does this mean? For buyers, it's actually a really good window. More homes to choose from, less competition, more negotiating opportunity. But you still want to be strategic, especially with those interest rates affecting your monthly payment. This market is all about strategy. Pricing matters more than ever. Presentation matters. And first impression is everything. And homes that come out strong are the ones that win. So here's my take. We're not heading into a downturn. We're settling into a more normal, sustainable market. The last few years were intense. Low inventory, multiple offers, homes flying off the market, and that's just not the environment we're in anymore. What I see happening next is continued balance. Inventory will still likely to creep up, buyers will stay more selective, and pricing will stabilize rather than spike. But here's the important part is that real estate is still super hyper local. In Stillwater and the St. Croix Valley, lifestyle, location, and presentation still drive demand, and the right homes are still selling. If you're thinking of buying or selling, or just curious what your home is worth in today's market, I'd love to connect and talk through your specific situation. And if you just want more updates like this, make sure to follow along. I share what's actually happening here locally. Thanks! Hit like and subscribe for Twin Cities monthly market updates.